In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a Teams meeting through your Microsoft Outlook account. This guide is perfect for those looking to integrate these essential tools for efficient online meetings. Let's dive right in. To get started, we'll begin by opening Google Chrome, which is a popular and versatile web browser widely used for accessing various web applications. Once you've got Chrome open, navigate to outlook.office.com. This is the online portal for Microsoft Outlook, where you can access all your emails, calendars, and more from any location. If you use Outlook for email or scheduling, this is your go-to platform. Next, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Typically, this involves entering your email address and password. Make sure you're careful with the credentials and have them handy for a smooth and quick login. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have access to your secondary device for the verification code. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the icons typically found on the left-hand side of the screen, which provide quick access to essential features. Look for the calendar icon. It's usually depicted as a small calendar graphic. Clicking it will take you to your schedule and calendar events. In your calendar view, you'll notice an option for creating a new Teams meeting. This feature is prominently displayed as New Teams Meeting, making it convenient to start organizing your virtual gatherings. By clicking on this, a meeting invite will be automatically set up with Microsoft Teams integration. It's an efficient way to schedule without needing to jump back and forth between different software tools. Now, if you find the option for New Teams Meeting isn't available, don't worry. There's an alternative route you can take. You might need to install the Microsoft Teams add-in for Outlook. This can be done by visiting the Microsoft App Source, which acts as a marketplace for Microsoft apps right there in your Chrome browser. After navigating the app source, locate the Microsoft Teams add-in and install it. During the installation process, you may encounter several prompts. These prompts will guide you through the necessary authorizations and permissions needed to connect your Outlook account with Microsoft Teams. Make sure to follow each step carefully, ensuring that permissions requested are granted so that the integration goes smoothly. And there you have it. You've now not only connected your Microsoft Outlook with Teams, but also equipped yourself to create Teams meetings directly from your Outlook calendar, streamlining your communication and scheduling processes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to make the most of your productivity tools. Happy scheduling!